Hello! Welcome to Health 385, where we teach you not only about delicious, healthy food options, but also about their scientific and nutritional background.
Today's healthy food option is quinoa. We'll teach you all about quinoa, its uses, its composition, and its health benefits.
Not many people seem to know what quinoa is or even how to say it. Let's take to the Emily campus to get the input of fellow classmates.
How would you pronounce this word?
Quinoa?
Quinoa.
Quinoa.
There is evidence that quinoa has been hunted and gathered since over 3,000 years ago. It is a staple crop in South America and has been cultivated in the Andes Mountains range for thousands of years. However, quinoa did not gain global importance until about 35 years ago. And while it's growing in importance and use today, it's still one of the best kept secrets in food.
Contrary to popular belief, quinoa is actually not a grain, it's a seed, and it happens to cook like a grain. It can be a great side dish or salad, or as a full meal on its own. However, quinoa can also be incorporated into many different foods.
For example, many recipes use quinoa as a replacement for things such as oatmeal in soups and in veggie burgers. Quinoa flour can also be used as a replacement for wheat flour for baking. Now let's get started.
Quinoa, recently noted as an alternative new crop, is extraordinary in the fact that it is extremely adaptable. It can grow in so many different conditions and has withstood environmental factors from extreme wetness to severe drought. Its adaptability is in part because of its genetic makeup. Quinoa typically grows to a height of 1 to 2 meters and has cereal-like grains on a seed head at the top of the plant. Varieties of quinoa have been successfully grown anywhere from sea level to high altitudes. It is also tolerant to light frosts.
Now that we know a little bit about the history and agricultural trends, let's learn about the health benefits. Quinoa is known for having potential prevention and treatment effects for many conditions, including diabetes, insulin resistance, and breast cancer because of its composition of essential amino acids, proteins, vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Using biological value, which measures quality of protein, quinoa has a very high value at 83%. Because of the extensive protein contents of quinoa, you don't have to combine it with other proteins to get your needed supply of amino acids.
As a good source of protein, quinoa is essential for muscle development and keeps you fuller longer so that you're less likely to munch on unhealthy midnight snacks. Now let's talk a little bit more about our favorite subject, chemistry. It contains the allelochemical saponins, and when processed correctly, they demonstrate antibiotic activity and play a role in the absorption of vitamins and minerals.
Quinoa has a wide and balanced range of amino acids compared to cereals and legumes. In fact, quinoa entirely satisfies the WHO's recommendation of essential amino acids for infants and children. Compared to soy proteins, casein, and other cereals and legumes, quinoa has a higher concentration of many amino acids, with lysine and methionine being the most notable.
Quinoa has chemicals that prevent the oxidation of lipids, meaning it's a great antioxidant. The high vitamin E content prevents damages to the cell membrane caused by free radicals. Antioxidant properties are also exhibited by flavonoids and phytosterols. Phytosterols, in particular, have been shown to lower cholesterol and are also recognized for their anti-inflammatory activity. Here's what you need to know. Quinoa is an awesome source of protein. It has a special type of healthy sugar that provides your body with energy so that you can get extra studying done. It has a high amount of magnesium and manganese to keep your bones strong, and it also has a lot of copper, which is crucial for proper growth of hair and eye health, so that you can look good and see good. Also, maybe you should lay off the vitamin supplements and take a dose of quinoa instead. It's a great source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that will keep you healthy during midterms and finals, and perhaps my favorite part of quinoa is the great amount of vitamin B, which is important in brain function because it improves your spatial memory and reduces anxiety, both of which are very important for us college kids.
We're almost done making our quinoa salad, which includes our healthy quinoa, yellow peppers high in flavonoids, onions from the Amaryllidaceae family, and just for an extra allelochemical kick, we're going to throw in some fresh herbs, oregano, and black pepper. We are dressing the salad with extra virgin olive oil and balsamic to make sure we maintain our anti-inflammatory diet.
Evidence shows that quinoa is a stable and dependent option for a good, filling, and nutritious source of protein. This is perfect for a college campus where administration, chefs, staff, and students are all looking for the best and most cost-effective options to reach their nutritious goals.
Thanks for joining us today on Health 385. We hope to see you next time.